Hey, welcome back to your Precision Data Analytics channel this evening. That's right, I said your, because this channel is all about you, okay? Anyway, welcome back, and of course this is Vanguard LifeStrategy Tuesday. We begin the next 4 nights run of LifeStrategy Vanguard LifeStrategy funds. That's easy for you to say. Tonight we begin with the Vanguard LifeStrategy Income Fund, heavily weighted towards bonds in order to produce current income. Okay. Of course, before we get started, a big favor to ask as always, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and share the video with one friend this week. So we take a look here. Again, this is monthly closing prices, hit a box plot, and basically what we're looking for is the size of the box. From our point of view, this gives us some idea of the volatility for the box. Notice the narrow whiskers are pretty narrow. That means that the high and low, the minimum maximum closing price for the month is pretty narrow. We also have a couple of outliers here. Bollinger Bands, you can see again, since May, two things. First of all, numbers at the blue line has pretty much stayed above the green line, moving average green line, but within the upper bound, and the two red lines represent plus and minus 2 standard deviations. So this is pretty good. Although it did cross back over recently, and we'll see what happens over the next few days. Relative strength index, well, and you can see it really kind of stayed pretty much between 50 and 70, a little overbought. But for the most part, no big long downturns. Divergence and convergence. You can see we did have quite a bit of positive, you talk about a pattern. Look, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, so currently we're in a little bit of a downturn, I guess. You might say a little bit of a downturn. And of course, some of these movements are pretty strong both bullish and pretty strong bearish momentum. The moving average, the good news is we're staying above the 100 moving average. You can see the volatility here, but we are staying above the 100 moving average, which is always a good sign. Finally, dividends. Always pays a dividend since 2015. It could be that they only pay them twice a year. I'm not really sure. But then the last two dividends are about 12 cents a share. So there you have it, video 1. Video 2, of course, as always, is forecasting returns.